Hey guys, so I'm going to show you how to make group tabs in Opera GX. So first of all, I have opened Opera GX and I have opened Twitch on one tab, YouTube and Facebook. So if I want to merge all of these three tabs into a workspace, all you have to do is click on the settings on the bottom left corner, or you can see it on the side. Click on it and search for workspace. And you have to enable the workspaces. Once enabled, you will see a home button over there. You have to right click on this home button and edit workspace or manage workspaces. Click on manage workspaces. Now you can see all of your workspaces, for example gaming, or if I click on add more, I can add another workspace. For example, I will name it as gaming or entertainment and I will click on create. I can also choose an icon. For example, I will choose this bicycle icon and click on create. Once created, now if I want to move all of these three tabs into my workspace, what I have to do is click on any tab and then click on the control button on my keyboard and click on the other tab. As you can see, these two tabs have been selected. I will again press and hold the control key and click on the Facebook. All the three tabs are now selected. I will now release the control key and right click with my mouse, and then I will go to move to workspace. And as you can see, there's a bicycle icon, which is entertainment space. If I click on it, all of my three tabs have been transferred into the entertainment tabs. To access my three tabs, what I will do, I will right click the workspaces, click on manage workspaces and move this bicycle entertainment space to the top. Once it's on the top, I will close the window. As you can see, there is a bicycle tab. If I click on it, I will be redirected towards the three tabs that I have moved to this entertainment tab. If I want to go to another workspace, so you can make workspace, so you can make business workspace, your gaming workspace or entertainment workspace. You can quickly open any workspace you want with this. So that's how you can create group tabs in Opera GX. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.